Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter 9 of your Footprint Without Feet book, and the chapter name is Bholi. This chapter is all about a girl whose name is Bholi. First of all, if we will proceed with this chapter, I would like you to think over the importance of education for girls. When you will think about that what is the importance of education for girls, you will get to know that education makes a person aware, education makes someone confident, education makes you aware about your rights and duties, and moreover that what is the potential hidden within a person. So this story will tell you that how the life of a girl changes when she was given proper education, and what she understands that what is the hidden potential within her which she can use and which makes her different from others. So this chapter starts with the introduction of a girl. Her name is Sulekha, and since her childhood everyone had been calling her Bholi. Actual name of that girl was Sulekha, but people used to call her Bholi. The reason being was that she was a simpleton girl. Simpleton means innocence. Innocent girl. She doesn't know anything about the hypocrisy of the world. She does not know much about the world. She was the fourth daughter of the Nambardar. Nambardar is a title given to the revenue officer of the village. That man name was Ramlal. The man had four daughters, and Bholi was the fourth daughter, the youngest one. What happened to Bholi when she was 10 months old? She had fallen off the cot. Cot means चारपाई. तो 10 महीने की एज में वो बच्ची चारपाई से गिर गई, and that caused the damage in her head. Perhaps it had damaged some part of the brain. As a result, she remained a backward child because her brain was damaged because she fell from a cot. She fell from the cot and her brain was damaged. Since then, people started calling her Bholi. उसके ब्रेन का कुछ पार्ट डैमेज हो गया. शी बिकेम अ बैकवर्ड चाइल्ड. शी कुड नॉट ग्रो properly mentally. That's why people started calling her Bholi. At birth, the child was very fair and pretty. Though she lost her brain, but she had beauty. Because beauty plus brain is a rare combination, but luckily Bholi was a beautiful girl. She had fair complexion, she was pretty, but when she was 2 years old, she suffered from smallpox disease. Like chickenpox, this is smallpox. Only her eyes were saved, and her entire body was permanently disfigured. With disfigured mean was damaged with the deep black pock marks. There were some marks on her body which were left due to smallpox. जब किसी बच्चे को स्मॉल पॉक्स हो जाती है तो कई बार क्या होता है, उसके कुछ मार्क्स रह जाते हैं बॉडी पर. सो हर ब्यूटी वॉज ऑल्सो लॉस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द स्मॉल पॉक्स. Little Sulekha could not speak till she was 5 years old. So up to the age of 5, she could not speak properly. Even she did not speak. But when she started speaking, she stammered. Stammered mean to speak with difficulty. हकलाना जिसको बोलते हैं. The other children often made fun of her and mimicked her. Mimicked mean copied her. They used to speak in her the way she spoke, and they used to make fun of her. So she was always the victim of mockery by others. The other children often made fun of her. As a result, she talked very little because whenever she spoke, she stammered and people used to laugh at her. That's why she spoke very little. Ramlal had total 7 children, which means he had 3 sons and 4 daughters. And Bholi was the youngest, means सबसे छोटी थी वो in the family. It was a prosperous farmer's household. Prosperous mean well-to-do family. काफ़ी अच्छे थे वो financially. There were plenty of things to eat and drink. किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं थी खाने पीने की. All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. The sons had been sent to city to study. They were given education. Boys were given education, but not girls. Of the daughters, Radha was the eldest one. She was already married. The second daughter, Mangla's marriage had also been fixed. She got engaged. Ramlal would think of the third daughter, and for the third daughter, she was good looking, she was healthy girl, and it would not be difficult to find a good bridegroom. उसके लिए कोई मैच ढूंढना, कोई लड़का ढूंढना मुश्किल नहीं होगा. तो रामलाल was okay. But Ramlal was worried about Bholi because she neither has mind nor beauty, so she neither had good looks nor intelligence. So Ramlal was worried that who would get married to his daughter. Bholi was 7 years old when Mangla was married. So her two sisters got married. The same year, a primary school was opened, especially for girls in their village. When Bholi was 7 years old, a school was opened in their village. The Tehsildar Sahib came to perform its opening ceremony. There was opening of the school and Tehsildar was invited. He advised Ramlal, as a revenue officer, you are the representative of the government, because he was a Nambardar of the village. Ramlal was a Nambardar of the village, and Tehsildar asked him to send his daughters to school. You must send your daughters to school so that others villagers would also follow the same. That night, Ramlal consulted his wife. He came home and he told his wife that what was the advice given by the Tehsildar. Are you crazy? If girls would go to school, who would marry them? At that time, in earlier times, girls were not allowed to go to school because they think that it was not right thing for girls to go to school. So the wife of Ramlal got angry. That night, Ramlal consulted his wife, and the wife had a different opinion that girls could not go to school. Ramlal had not the courage to disobey the Tehsildar. He could not say no to Tehsildar that I would not send my daughters to school. So he was confused what to do, because the wife was saying that it's not good for daughters to go to school, and also he could not disobey the Tehsildar. Ramlal was confused. At last, his wife said, I'll tell you what to do. Send Bholi to school, the fourth daughter, as there is little chance for her to get married. वैसे भी उससे कोई शादी नहीं करने वाला और हमारी दोनों काम पूरे हो जाएंगे. एक तो उससे किसी ने शादी नहीं करनी है, सेकेंड थिंग आप तहसीलदार को मना भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. तो विद हर अगली फेस एंड लैक ऑफ सेंस, नो वन वुड गेट मैरिड टू हर. लेट द टीचर एट द स्कूल वरी अबाउट हर. और उसकी वाइफ को लगा कि वो 6-7 घंटे स्कूल में बिताएगी एंड द बर्डन वुड बी on the teacher. The next day, Ramlal caught Bholi by hand and said, Come with me, I'll take you to school. Bholi was worried, Bholi was scared, she was frightened. आज तक तो उसे स्कूल से घर से बाहर कभी नहीं लेकर गए. Now the father was taking her to school and she does not know anything about school. She knows nothing about school. She remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi was taken out of the house and she never came back. तो भोली को लग रहा था कि जैसे उनकी गाय को एक बार घर से ले गए थे और सोल्ड कर दिया था, सेल कर दिया था, she would also meet the same fate. उसे भी लगने लगा if she would go out of the home, she would never return back. So she started shouting, No, no, no. She shouted and pulled her hand away from father's grip. और उसने अपने पापा से अपना हाथ छुड़वा लिया because she was worried that where would he take her. What's the matter with you, fool? Shouted Ramlal. I'm only taking you to school. उसके फादर को बहुत गुस्सा आया. Then he told his wife, let her wear some decent clothes today or else. What will the teachers and other schoolgirls think of us when they see her? So nobody bothered about her. उसका घर पे कोई ध्यान नहीं रखता था. She was the ignored girl, she was the neglected girl because she was the backward child. घर पे उसे कभी किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया. लेकिन आज द फादर वॉज सेइंग कि गिव हर गुड क्लोथ्स, अदरवाइज़ लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, स्कूल गर्ल्स और टीचर्स हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, तो अच्छे से तैयार कर दो. सो हाउ शी वॉज गॉट रेडी फॉर द स्कूल. न्यू क्लोथ्स वर गिवन टू हर. दैट वॉज द ओल्ड ड्रेस ऑफ हर सिस्टर्स. नो वन केयर टू मेंड, टू रिपेयर और टू वॉश हर क्लोथ्स. टुडे शी वॉज लकी टू रिसीव अ क्लीन ड्रेस विच हैड श्रंक. श्रंक मतलब उसकी छोटी हो गई थी उसकी सिस्टर की ड्रेस वॉशिंग से, तो वो ड्रेस किसे दे दी गई. द ग्रीन ड्रेस वॉज गिवन टू भोली. दैट वॉज नो लॉन्गर फिटेड चंपा बिकॉज द ड्रेस गॉट श्रंक. She was even bathed and oil was rubbed into her dry hair. Only then she began to believe that she was being taken to a better place. जब उसे इतना अच्छा treatment मिला, then she started realizing that she was taken to a better place named school. When they reached the school, the children were already in their classrooms. Girls were sitting in their classrooms. Ramlal handed over his daughter to the headmistress, to the principal, and he left. The poor girl looked with fear laden eyes. Fear laden means full of fear. Her eyes were full of fear and she was worried that where her father was going and where she was left alone. There were many rooms in the school, and each room the girls were squatted. Squatted means sitting in the rooms on the mats. They were reading or writing on slates. The headmistress asked Bholi to sit down in the corner of the classroom. So this way, Bholi had a very first day at the school. She knows nothing about school, but luckily her father or mother decided to send her to school for their own motive. So tomorrow we will read what would happen in the school with Bholi, how she would enjoy, what she would learn, or whether she would get the same treatment in the school as well. So you are supposed to read this chapter up to here and try to attempt the question answers.